If you've ever wanted to build a professional website without touching a single line of code, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating a stunning website using the Hostinger AI Builder. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional site live on the internet. Let's get started. After logging in, head over to the Websites tab, click that big purple Add Website button, and select Hostinger Website Builder. The AI Builder will now prompt you to describe your website. You just need to enter your brand name and a detailed prompt. For this demo, I asked ChatGPT to generate a prompt for a real estate website within 700 letters. I'll put that prompt in the description below for you to use. Step 2. Review and customize. In just a few moments, the AI built a beautiful multi-page website for me. As you can see, it includes a homepage, a listings page, an About Us page, and a contact page. This is a fantastic foundation, but let's make it more professional. Click Continue and then go live. Step 3. Adding professional features. A basic site is good, but a connected site is great. Let's integrate two crucial features, WhatsApp and Google Maps. First, WhatsApp integration. To add a click-to-chat WhatsApp button, go to the More menu on the left, click Integrations, and select WhatsApp. Simply type your phone number, save it, and a floating chat button will appear on your site. It's that simple. Next, let's add a Google Map. Navigate to the page and section where you want the map. Click on Add Section, scroll down, and select the Map element. If your business has multiple locations, you can choose a multi-location map. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the single location option. Once it's placed, just click on the map and edit the default address to your exact business location. You can also explore other integrations and elements like social media links, custom code, or a pre-built contact form, all from the left-hand menu. Step 4, your built-in AI assistant, Ask Cody. Now, what if you get stuck? Hostinger has you covered with its own AI helper called Ask Cody. I find it often gives more accurate and timely answers for Hostinger-specific questions than general AI tools. For example, I can ask it, "How do I integrate WhatsApp?" And it provides a direct, step-by-step solution. If you need more detail, just ask it to explain further. It's like having a support agent right inside your dashboard. Step 5. Managing your pages. Finally, let's talk about page management. You can easily add new pages or delete existing ones. You can also hide a page from the main menu without deleting it by clicking Hide from Navigation. And to reorder your menu, just drag and drop the pages into your preferred sequence. And there you have it. With just these basics, you have all the knowledge you need to build a simple, powerful, and professional website with Hostinger's AI Builder. All right, thanks for tuning in to my Hostinger AI Builder tutorial and review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment telling me what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.